Now, several leading British Muslims have been offered police protection.
It's after a video threatening them appeared online, purporting to have been posted by the Al-Qaeda-linked group Al-Shabaab.
I'm not worried about this death threat at all. I'm going to continue with my good work. I'm going to continue speaking against terrorism and extremism. And most importantly, I'm going to talk for fairness and justice for everybody in the world. I'll continue.
It's important that we aren't terrorised into silence. It's important that we don't feel fear. It's important that we aren't subjugated and oppressed.
It's now 48 hours since the Al-Shabaab terrorists stormed the Westgate Mall.
We're still hearing occasional blasts and sporadic gunfire. Eyewitnesses have said to me that the attackers allowed at least one Somali woman to escape. They said to her, "We don't want to kill Muslims or Somalis," but they killed both.
Al-Shabaab commit hideous crimes every day, and they say they're doing this in the name of Islam. They hijacking our religion, and we Somali community in Somalia and around the world, in particular here in Britain, should stand up and confront this terrorist organization. As far as we're concerned, they are murderers and criminals, and unless we get together, all of us, and face this threat, then our lives are being compromised.
Al-Shabaab have no place in Somali community. I'm telling you this.
Al-Shabaab do not represent the Somali community regardless of where they are, whether they're in Somalia or in the diaspora. The real voice of the Somali community in the UK are individuals within this video. They are scholars, young people, role models, individuals like Ragay Omar, individuals like Mo Farah. And there is a lot of Somali good role models who represents the real voice and the real viewpoint of the Somali community.
I'm very, very proud to be a British Muslim as well as original coming from Somalia.